What is up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. But guess what? It's an unboxing without a box. So here we have my WE HK416, okay? It's factory stock. I got it second hand from Joanne. Came with 4 mags, you can see on the feet here. Basically, 3 of them are basically dead. 1 holds gas, okay? So right now I'm only using 1 mag. Anyway, aside from that, what do we have here? We have just basically everything's stock basically. Apart from I have bought and installed an MPAS into this, so I can adjust the FPS depending on what site I go to. At the moment, it's not adjusted because I don't have a chrono. Don't actually know how hot it's shooting. But yeah, so here we've got the normal 10-inch rail. I'm planning to change it out to a 14.5-inch rail by Ditech. This thing is a Geisley replica. I have a little torch from Amazon, you know, nothing too expensive at the moment. My pressure pad taped to the top. There we go. And I have a little foregrip here, which I don't use as an actual foregrip. I use it as a stop, a hand stop, when I C-clamp. So normally I C-clamp, so I like to hold the gun here, and this foregrip just allows me to pull the gun into my body. As you know, it's a gas blowback, so it does have some recoil. Quite a nice feeling, you know. Yes. Quite a nice kick to it, you know. So I like to have that so I can pull the gun in and actually control the gun. What else do we have here? Some normal flip-up sights, you know. Nothing too serious. Everything's stock. But yeah. So let's get into it. My hair is bare messy, fam. I'm not really a fan of these glasses anymore as well. That's another thing. Because they don't look that tactical.
So now obviously it's not going to be a make a TV review without live human testing. So obviously I'm going to be the first one to get hit. Where are you going to aim again?
Your gluteus maximus.
Okay. I got my jacket here, my jumper, just in case, you know, it ricocheted off my arm, because that's going to be really painful. So yeah. Wish me luck. I'm going to go down the other side.
Alright, so basically you can see now behind me, maybe from this angle, Joe is setting up around. How far are you? Like, that's like 10. That's just over 10 meters.
It's like just over 20.
Just over 20 meters?
Yeah, because isn't a bus like 18?
I don't know how long a bus is, Joe, but okay, yeah. Okay, so we'll just say around 20 meters, and we're gonna do a little challenge. So basically. Yeah, oh well. Yeah, so basically, the person who's going to get shot is going to shout go. At that point, the person shooting has to then reload the mag. This mag's got no gas in it, so we're just going to use it. You have to reload the mag, and then take a shot, and hit the target. Obviously, you want to hit the target. And we're gonna. How many times do you want to do it, Joe? 5 shots each, 5 hits. 3 hits? Yeah. Why not 4?
I only have two cheeks, mate.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be in the same space every time.
Hey, you never know. You're aiming quick.
Just do 4 in it, 2 on each. Okay. Joe seems to be ready, so we're gonna get this show on the road, man. You ready?
Ready when you are.
You have to say go, remember?
Go!
I missed, mate. I missed.
Yeah, the ricochet.
You felt it? Oh. Because the first shot didn't even shoot anything, so.
Oh. Yeah, the second one ricocheted.
Yeah. But yeah, okay.
So we're only doing 1 shot coming out, and then we start again.
Yeah, one shot each time.
Okay, so that's 3 more left.
Yeah, I messed up my reload as well. My mag was the wrong way around. So when I pulled it out, I tried to put it into the magazine place. It was the wrong way. I had to turn it around. So it was this way, and I had to go like a weird thing. I had to turn it around as well.
Okay.
My time was still. I think my reload was still pretty quick though.
That's right.
So what we're gonna do is, to make it easier, this one still has BBs in it. Let's empty it out. So you put it in, cock it, have a BB in the chamber. So that the moment you put the mag in, you can just take a shot. Because I didn't have one in the chamber, so that's when I shot the first time, nothing came out.
Okay.
So
you shot and then...
I shot, and then obviously when the bolt goes back, it takes the next BB.
Oh.
So that's why it came out the second time and not the first one. Okay, so we're gonna do that again. In a ready position.
Go.
That swerved off quick.
No, that was so close. Bro, that was... No, I really do think that's much faster than the AEG. I think it broke some of the glass off as well.
I heard it. I heard it.
Bruh. That is scary. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, shot number 3.
Go.
Wait, I wasn't even up yet. My gun wasn't even up.
Go.
Hit confirmed.
I got extra padding from my back pocket. So, good.
That shot was the only one that didn't swerve off. The second one swerved like crazy.
So the screaming was my involuntary reaction. That was right cheek.
Okay, last shot.
Go!
I'm sorry, that... That's not where I was aiming. I'm sorry, that's not even where I was aiming, mate. I'm not even gonna lie to you, that's not... Oh my god. I'm sorry. I wasn't even aiming there. I literally, the red dot was in the middle of your back.
Yeah.
And it somehow still, it swerved, like dipped down. I saw it dipped down to like the bottom of your, it didn't even hit your butt, it was going straight and then just dipped straight into the bottom of your leg.
Wow. Yeah, like the difference with that and the AEG is like, you get hit and it's the initial sting and then it's itchy, but that one's a full sting, the whole, like I still feel the sting now.
Oh my god. Yeah, so that was 4 shots. That was 4 shots, you got hit twice. So let's swap over.
Jeez.
Go.
Holy.
You know what I was aiming for? I was aiming for your left cheek and then it just went.
I told you. I told you it's crazy. Ah, you're right. You know the pain. It's a sting,
Yeah.
but the sting pulsates. It pulsates. So it hits you. Like you get the initial sting. It goes for a bit, then it stings again. And it's like you're getting hit over and over
keeps
again.
Going, man.
Oh, it wasn't that bad though. I thought it would be much worse.
Oh, that's probably
It
because you're
was-
used to it.
Yeah, maybe, but it did hit my calf as well. Like I don't normally get shot in the calf or in the legs. Oh,
Oh man.
Damn.
We've got 3 more to go.
the sting was much sharper than the AEG sting as well.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It's like it packs more of a punch behind it.
Yeah.
That's gonna leave a bruise, man. Damn.
Alright, so first shot was successful. Second attempt now. Let me change to the dummy mag first. Yeah, it does smell like garlic. So it smells like to me.
It smells weird, man.
Garlic.
I don't know what kind of garlic you've been smelling.
Ah man, neither do I, because I haven't been eating garlic recently.
I still feel the sting. It's not going away.
Oh my goodness.
It's like it's coming back as well. It's just as long. Oh.
Yeah, so basically the area of your dump pouch, that's where the red dot was.
And it literally just goes. Pew.
Phew. Yep.
So Now you know why I miss so much. It's like the BBs have a mind of their own once they get to this distance.
Pretty much.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Yep.
Go.
It's refusing to come out.
You hit me.
But in a crease.
Yeah.
I aim for the same place as well. Like he keeps going.
Like you hit me in the crease and it literally caught it. So it didn't hit my skin at all.
Okay.
But hey, that's 2 hits. So I hit you once. I hit you twice, didn't I? Yeah. So we're even now. I think I might be a bit fast on the reload because of my belt.
Yeah, and the previous one was because I shook it out, but it.
It's just.
Yeah.
I did the turn, so I like the ball, yeah, like that, but not that dramatic. I did that a bit, and just turning it down, the mag just flies down.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready.
Go.
Mag's always twisted. Ooh, through the legs! I saw it! Through the leg. Oh my goodness.
I felt it flick off the clip of the thing inside. I saw it little stick.
Wow. Wow. That was luck. That was luck right there.
Bravo, bravo. That was a great shot. That went straight through. Straight through.
Woo!
Okay, last one. Last one, then we'll do a few other things that we can.
Alright. You said it.
That doesn't involve people getting hit.
You said it.
This time we're gonna go full auto. Actually, nah. We're gonna burst a few.
Excuse me, what was that?
What?
What was that?
Excuse me?
I think this is finished.
No!
No, the recording stopped. I don't have enough memory now.
I'll swear.
Yeah. I'll keep it on me, but we can do that last shot.
I think the camera might have charge now. Enough to do the last one.
Boy. Alright. These glasses. The bolly whatever, I don't know. Can't remember what thingy flipping number they are, the X something. I don't like them. Look at them, they just look ugly. They're full seal. I find that they fog up a hell of a lot on me. Maybe give me one game. That's the one game and they fog up like hell. So these, don't use them. Not gonna throw them away because I actually need them right now. But yeah. P.S. they also make you look like a dweeb. Look at that. Dweeb. Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, one sec. Go.
Keep twisting the damn mag.
You're so lucky, you know that.
The damn crease! The crease! Oh man.
The crease saved me 3 times in that. Saved by the crease.
Saved by the crease. Damn it.
Davis thumbs up for approval. Let's do it.
Okay, go!
There we go. There we go. I can't be bothered to take that camera off.